Hi everybody! In today's video we're going to make another Russian dish. It's called Otbivnue. So here I have cube steak, which is meat that's been already pounded. I have 4 pieces. I have some flour, some eggs, and I'm going to add some flavor, some spices to your flour. So I'm putting black pepper. I usually put fresh dill or dry dill, but this time I didn't have any, so I'm going to use dried oregano. I also like to use curry powder. It has its yellow color because it has turmeric. Cayenne pepper. And I'm also going to get some paprika. Mix this all up. And see, the flour got this nice color, and all those spices are going to give it a right nice flavor. And of course we want to put some salt, and I'm using Himalayan pink salt. And this is now mixed well and smells so good. This is our flour mixture. In the other bowl I have 4 eggs, and I'm just going to whisk them. And I also would like to add some seasoning, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of paprika, cayenne pepper, curry powder, and I'm using dry oregano, but you can use dill or fresh herbs if you have on hand. Whatever you have on hand or whatever you like. And I'm going to whisk it again. Alright, I didn't salt the meat yet, so I'm going to do that now. Pepper, and then I want to do the same thing on another side. Some salt. It seems like I'm putting a lot of salt, but this is the Himalayan salt for some reason is not as strong as your regular salt. You can also use kosher salt, but then you would use less of it. Okay, our meat is salted, and I put some pepper. Flour is seasoned, and I have seasoned egg mixture. So ready to start frying. So now we're going to fry the Отбивные. I'm going to turn on the heat on medium-high, and I'm going to use some olive oil. You don't need a whole lot of olive oil because this is a non-stick pan, about this much of olive oil. I'm just waiting for my olive oil to heat up. Okay, so I have my seasoned cubed steak here that I'm going to take and dip into my seasoned flour. Then into the egg mixture. And it's ready to go into the hot oil. Okay, so I'm frying it on one side. I'm kind of gonna peek and see if it's ready to be flipped. It's not. Probably need about 4 or 5 minutes on medium-high heat. And then on another side. It's been about 5 minutes, frying 5 minutes on each side, and it's ready to be transferred. On a parchment paper, on a tray, to finish cooking in the oven. This is what it looks like. And I'm going to bake it in the oven at 375 for about 20 minutes. So I'm just repeating the process and making more. Okay, I got the отбивные out of the oven and they're ready to be plated. So I'm just plating it. Ready. Thank you again for watching this video, and if you like it, please like and subscribe. See you soon.